Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central and Arundel County in Central Maryland until 5:30 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Londontown, or near Crofton, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles.
Oh boy.
Impacted include Naval Academy, Road River, Severn River, South River, Parole, Londontown, Edgewater, 4 Riva.
Let's see here.